Making chicken meatballs. This is 2.5 pound chicken, and this is the misalas. This is salt. This is turmeric. This is anardana powder, and this is cumin powder, and this is garlic paste, ginger and garlic paste, and this is red chilies, and this coriander powder. So we're going to mix this with all this, and then we're going to make the meatballs out of that. And we're going to add 2 eggs as well as coriander leaves to mix the mixture of this chicken as well as all the misalas. We're mixing up with hands, and then we're going to make meatballs out of that. So adding half a cup of breadcrumbs so that meatballs remain united and don't break open. We are making the meatballs and then put them in this tray, and then we put in the oven to broil. We have put the meatballs in the oven and the broil is on, and then we're going to close this for 7 minutes, and then after that we will take them out, and we have to brown them on both sides. The meatballs are out of the oven, and now we're going to change the side so the other side gets brown like this, and then we'll put it back in the oven, and when it gets brown again, then we'll put in the gravy bar. Onions we are making brown for gravy purposes. Now we're going to add the tomato puree in it and some of the more garlic paste. And ginger paste. We're going to mix it up, try to make misala, and then we'll add meatballs in them later on. We're going to add some salt, like 1 teaspoon salt, and some turmeric, and some chilies, in this, and some coriander powder in this gravy which we're going to make. Now we're going to add 1 cup of water and let it cook. So this is the gravy we're going to make, and we'll later on put the meatballs in it. Now the meatballs we took off from the oven and now put it in this gravy which we were making earlier. And then we're going to mix it, and then it will almost get cooked, and then we're going to serve. Cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. And you see how we are shaking this so they don't break. So the Pakistani style meatballs going to be ready in 10 to 15 minutes. Enjoy. Here's the end result of the meatballs, chicken meatballs cooked Pakistani style. Love it.